This is a basic proportionality theorem, theorem number 8.1 of class 10th given in NCERT textbook. The statement for the basic proportionality theorem: in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, then the intercept on AB and BC are in the same ratio. It means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have to verify these things with the help of this software. Now you see here this DE is parallel to BC. Now here the value of AD is here 4.45 and DB is 3.09. Similarly, AE is equal to 6.03 and EC is equal to 4.19. These values are, we can see here also, these values, and their ratios. Ratio of AD by DB is given here, and here AE by EC is given as R2 and it is 1.04 and it is R1 is also 1.44. Now let us examine that if you will drag this point D, then what happened? We see here the value of AD and DB are changing, whereas the ratio remains, ratio are also changing. When D is move up and down, then we see all the 6 values are changing. If I will drag only point C, see what will happen. Only the value of AE and EC are changing, remaining parameters are constant. They are fixed means. Now here if we will drag point B, we see the value of AD and DB are changing, the ratio does not change. Now if I want to drag this point D to A, now D is coinciding to A, then what happened? AD is equal to 0 and similarly AE is also 0. 0 divided by 7.43 and AE divided by 10.50, the 57, the ratio R1 and R2 are equal to 0. 0 divided by something, it will give only 0. Now let us see at the other end. Now I am dragging this point D to point B. Means B and D are overlapping each other. Now you see here AD is equal to 7.43. AE is also 10.57. DB is 0 here and EC is also 0. So something means that is 7.43 divided by 0 is not defined or infinite. We can say AE is 10.57 divided by EC is equal to 0. So it is also not defined, or we call it infinite R2. So this is very useful applets. With the help of this applet, we can verify this theorem practically in many ways. We have shifted here B and C. Now I I'm changing the position of point A. See what is going on with the values of AD, DB, AE and AC. They are only these values are changing. The ratio is not changing because these intercepts are equal and this here only according to this thing. But when we shift this point D, it will certainly all the 6 values are changing here. So this is a very useful theorem, a basic proportionality theorem. Of course, the theoretical proof for the examination purpose, you have to write all the steps, but to see its validity, we can verify with the help of this applet prepared by me. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.